How are you complying with the ASHRAE 188 standard as it pertains to your fixtures? The FixtureCare Preventive Maintenance Program is right for you. FixtureCare helps keep medical facilities in compliance while giving managers total control and transparency of the process, with a notably reduced work burden. It improves cleaning and disinfection as part of Legionella control measures. FixtureCare tracks faucet and showerhead preventive maintenance and point-of-use filter changeout dates, ensuring hospitals are fully compliant. Virtually enter into any room at the facility that contains a service fixture. View before and after photos of the products installed or serviced with timestamps of service time. Access easy-to-read reports that summarize the work for inspectors. Look up any alerts or additional work orders identified during the project. Conveniently check to see if your fixture is in maintenance compliance when that compliance expires, and watch the project status update in real time as technicians visit rooms. Healthcare-acquired infections account for an estimated 100,000 deaths annually in the USA. Calcium deposits on fixtures promote biofilm if not addressed. How are you preparing for your upcoming inspection? FixtureCare has proudly serviced the following medical facilities, helped reduce healthcare-associated infections, and ensured they stayed compliant. Call us for a free consultation at 844-728-3420. Or send us an email to info@fixturecare.com. FixtureCare, care that reduces biofilm.